Hello everyone, my name is Syed Asim. I belong to Parbhani, Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech Aerospace Engineering from Sandeep University, Nasik. I got placed in Amazon as a machine learning data associate. As a young college graduate, and I also belong from a tier 3 college, I have been facing the many anxieties like where I am going to work after graduation, how will I land my dream job. These are just some questions that swarmed my head on daily basis in my last semester. As I graduated in the 2021, the pandemic was going on. Because of that, I did not got a single opportunity to sit in a campus interviews. That time was very tough for me, but I did not give up. I decided to shift my branch from aerospace to data science. I wanted the best institute for data science course. After doing a lots of research, I made my mind to join Edgrow. This field was totally new for me and I wanted to start from scratch. So for that I got a personalized guidance from Dr. Muhammad Daud. I got opportunity to work on a live projects which helped me a lot to crack Amazon interview. I also got extracurricular activities like HR interview, mock interviews, resume building, and I got each and every support to crack this job from Edgrow. So I would like to thank whole Edgrow team. Thank you so much for being there and thank you so much for supporting me. That's it.